Hello everybody, I will start my today with another coding practice. So in this video, I will solve this question, median of two sorted arrays. Yep, and for this question, I'm given two sorted array nums1 and nums2 of size m and n respectively, and I will return the median of the two sorted arrays. Okay. Yeah, in this video, I will quickly implement this, with explanation and call it a day because I was, yeah, solving this question in another video, which I will not publish. And I actually was quite stuck and, so exhausted. So I decided to make another video with a simpler and easier algorithm. And so that's this is the video for that. And the point was that as written here, the overall runtime complexity should be O of log m plus n. Yeah, this is the hardest part. Basically, I use as you can see here, I use the binary search to implement this. Yeah, but I'm so exhausted to do that. So I decided to stop it and make a video with a simpler approach. Yeah, what I mean by simpler approach is obviously I just have to merge two sorted lists into one sorted list and then find the median. Yeah, in that way, the time complexity should be over m plus n, because when two arrays are sorted, I can merge them in m plus n time. Then after that, because I know the length of the array in the constant time, I will just random access the median, and return it. Okay. With that being said, for example, in this case, um, yeah. So these are two steps I will do. And for the first step, I will use the 2 pointers. So I will take a look at the, index 1 and index 2. And every time I make a decision, which should I choose into the merge list, I will always choose a smaller one. Yep. If they're equal, I will choose the I1. Yeah, because it doesn't matter. So for example, this, I will choose number 1. Then here I will choose 3. Then I will choose 4. Then easy is fine, so I choose I1, 5. And then I choose I2, 5. And then I choose I2, 7. And I don't have any choice anymore for I2. So definitely I should choose I1. And that's it. Okay, so in this way, as I said, the time complexity should be m plus n, and the space complexity should be m plus n, because I need the sorted, merged list. Okay, I will start the implementation with this. So first I build the merged list. Then I will find the median, but I have to take care if number of element is even or odd. So if number is even, I have to take a look at center 2 element, and I will return the average of them. But if the number of element is odd, I just have to take a look at just the center one. Then I have to return this. Okay. In either way, the way I can handle this in a kind of simple way is I will think of the two index like middle one and middle two. Yeah. And in this case, I will think that middle one is equal to middle two. So that's how I, find them. I get the average of two numbers, then I return it. Yep. So for example, in this case, the middle should be obviously the exact center, which is index 1.5. And for middle one, I get the floor. And for middle two, I get the C, rounding up. Yep. And for the second case, in the case when number of element is odd, I just have to get the middle real center, which is 0 plus 4 divided by 2 is 2. That's how I get it. Okay. Yeah, this is it. And I return. And I return this. Okay, good. Or I can just do in this way. And I move this into the sub method. Okay. Now I will implement the merge method. Wait, so if in line 34, this is the case when nums1 is already exhausted, and yep, I will choose nums2. And in line 37, this is the case when nums2 is exhausted, so I choose nums1. Okay. And then in this case, if num1 is smaller, I choose num1. Yep. Otherwise, I will choose num2. And one thing I have to take care is I have to move the pointer. Yep, this is it. Okay, so I execute my code. So I get the runtime error. Merge does not exist. Oh, so I should return merge do. Okay. Nums1 is not defined. Oh, sorry. This should be nums1 and nums2. Okay. And here in line 51, oh, nums is non-type. It says. Okay, sorry, I forgot to return it in another some method. Okay, so it seems like, but how could I get 2.5? I see. Wait, so definitely what I should do is, this should be, so if ranks of numbers is say 3, it means that the index is 0, 1, 2. The smaller one is 0, and the largest one is ranks numbers, you know, -1. So I need to do this. Yeah. Okay, so this is it. Good. And I submit my code. Okay, accepted. Great. Okay, so I will quickly wrap up my today's coding practice. So today I solved the question, median of two sorted arrays. And in this question, I'm given two arrays, nums1 and nums2, which, I mean, both of which are sorted. And my task is find the median of all the numbers which appear in these two arrays, and then return the median. Yeah. So in this question, I use the approach firstly merging two sorted lists into one list, which takes n plus m time, and then I found the median, which takes only the constant time. Yep. So, but I actually can optimize this into log m plus n time complexity, yeah, with binary search. But it quite complex solution. I actually came up with the algorithm itself, but the implementation is quite tricky because I have to think of so many and also so complicated edge cases. So I gave up, in another video, which I will not publish. But maybe I will come back and I will solve the solution with binary search, maybe someday. Yeah. But at least I can say this is one of the most hard, this is one of the really hardest questions in LeetCode. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.